Well, it's been an active Saturday so far across the 4 states with lots of severe weather. Fortunately, no tornadoes in our viewing area so far, and that's good news, and hopefully it will stay that way. We've had lots of rain, though. Let's take a look outside this morning at Seneca, Missouri, at Indigo Sky Casino and Resort. And as we go through the day, you can see mostly fair skies most of the day. Lots of sunshine, just a few clouds coming in from the west. And then as the evening progressed, we started to see those temperatures rising and cumulus clouds developing into thunderstorms and producing the severe weather across the area. In fact, we made it up to 90 degrees today, which, believe it or not, tied the record set back about, 6 years ago. Back in 2017, the low was 67, which was 10 degrees above the normals. But look at how far we can get in the evenings, in the morning hours, 34 degrees back in 1995. Taking a look out to the north and east, we have some thunderstorms off in the distance. You can see the occasional flash of lightning here or there. Right now in Joplin, it's 70 degrees with an east-northeast wind at 11, gusting at times to 22 with a dew point of 67. So the humidity is quite high at 90%. That just kind of goes to show you how much moisture is available in the atmosphere. And some severe weather. Look at this video. This was to the north and east of Pittsburgh. Look at this wall cloud here. It was rotating on radar, and we were telling you about that in western Barton County. Fortunately, no tornado or funnel cloud came from that, but it was very, very close. Right now, we do have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings in effect in Bourbon County and Vernon County in our viewing area, and also now a new warning till 10:45 in extreme northeastern Neosho County. So we have that going on. We have other thunderstorms over in Lawrence County and also Dade County, stretching all the way down to Berry County. And look at the complex of storms in Tulsa right now, advancing to the north and east. That will be moving across the southern portion of our viewing area as we go into the overnight hours. Look at all the heavy rain and lots of lightning with these storms up to the north and east. Again, that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northeastern Neosho until 10:45, and then the warning for the Fort Scott area and Bourbon County as well as Vernon County. That goes until 10:30 this evening. Also, lots of flooding. 4 inches of rain or close to it in Stockton area over into northern Dade County, and about 3 inches there near Greenfield. And of course, a flash flood watch is in effect for southeastern parts of Kansas, specifically Cherokee County, northeastern Oklahoma, and southern and southwestern parts of Missouri. And that flood watch goes until 7 a.m. in the morning. So it's going to be a long night here in the storm center. All right, let's look at the rainfall chances. They're going to be dramatically dropping as we go towards the early morning hours, and then tomorrow looks pretty good with temperatures not too bad as well. Rainfall amounts tonight additional on top of what we've already had. Some places could pick up an additional inch or so, especially to the south and to the east. Temperatures right now are very pleasant still, generally in the 70s and even a few 80s, like in Fort Scott and in Pittsburgh, with light and variable winds across the area, except in those localized heavy thunderstorms. Dew points are also very high. This goes to show you how much water is available for these storms to use and wring out in the form of heavy showers and thunderstorms. Now, by tomorrow morning, all of that will be shifting off to the south and east with lows in the 60s. And then tomorrow, partly cloudy skies with isolated showers possible, mainly to the south and east, with highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. And then as we go into Monday morning, we're going to see lows quite comfortable, generally in the 50s to the north and east and 60s out to the west. And then Monday afternoon looks great. Partly cloudy skies, northeasterly winds, and temperatures in the low 80s. And then as we go into Tuesday morning, still pretty comfortable with lows in the 60s and upper 50s. And over the next 7 days, we have nice weather for several days in a row, highs in the low 80s and lows in the 60s.
We just got to get through the storm, quite literally.
Right, we got to get through the storms tonight, but the sunshine is on the horizon.
Looking forward to it. Thanks, Sam.